Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by going into Gallery app and selecting Photos or Albums section at the top. Now just hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. And to select multiple right away, use this icon with two squares and a check mark next to the pin icon at the top right corner. To exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on them. And to delete the rest, use this pin at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!